Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my name is 𝐲𝐬 and this is �zion Logistics. Here we are a community. We talk about how we can make money online, affiliate marketing, how we can promote business online which have to do with e-commerce. Most especially we talk about how we can start our mini importation business. So if you want to do yourself a big favor, you can join our community by subscribing to this YouTube channel. Alright, so whenever I post another helpful content, YouTube will be able to notify you that 𝐍ion Logistics has already posted another helpful content. So in today's tutorial, I will be talking much about how we can reset our 1688 password and also how we can get our 1688 username. So this is two-in-one thing that I'm going to be discussing with you today. Of course, I have different people contacting me, messaging me that how can they reset their 1688 password, that they wanted to reset it so they'll be able to log in on their desktop, on their laptop, and on the web version. Of course, when at the point of we creating this 1688 account, majority of us don't even know how we can reset our password, so we'll be able to get our username and password to log in on the web version. Alright, so in today's tutorial, this is the step-by-step tutorial that I'm going to be teaching us today. So I come with something very special. I want to use this medium to introduce to you our new course which have to do with procurement. Of course, this is a very new course in the community, in �zion community. This is importation is a very huge market that have to do with different aspects. We have the mini importers, we have the mini importers coach where you train people on how to start mini importation. Of course, this aspect of this procurement, people are not paying they are not paying attention to it, and there are a lot of money in there. That is why I come to introduce this course to you. So if you want to start making things three profits on mini importation after you've already trained your students on how they can start mini importation, now I'm still going to be teaching us how we can make profits in buying. Now, what is procurement? Procurement, you will have to buy on behalf of someone. You are going to be learning how you can procure, how you can buy on behalf of people, then how you can also buy yuan at cheap rates. So these are combined in the procurement rate, and guess what, is very at a low cost. Interested in joining this procurement course if you want to learn how to procure for others. So these agents will not be able to be scraping our heads anymore in terms of shipping, in terms of the RMB rates, and in terms of their charges. So you'll be the one doing everything yourself. So everything has been packed together. That one aside, guys, if you're interested, you can just reach me out, so I'll forward the content to you. So let's dive into our screen right now to show you guys how these things work. And before that, if you haven't subscribed, it is very important you subscribe. Okay, so let's dive into our screen right now and let me show you how it works. So okay guys, this is my 1688 account. If you don't know how to create a 1688 account, I have already recorded a video on it, so do well to check out the video on how to create it under the description button of this video. All right, also I've already recorded the video on how you can chat their customer care representative. That's another video entirely. So let's get into today's tutorial. So this is my account now. It has been verified, and let me click on this my profile here for you to see that this is my own personal account, and you can see the different transactions that I've done on this website. I've done a whole lot of things. If you want to learn how you can start your procurement business, all right, is a new course that I just introduced, because we have a whole lot of markets, and I get to realize that this procurement course, this procurement of a thing, people are not getting it, and we have a lot of people buying items. Why don't you just use this opportunity to get into this procurement course where you get to buy on behalf of your students? Let's assume you are a mini importation coach. You train people on how to import goods from China to their country. Why don't you just take this course, and you should be able to make another times three profits on mean importation, in the sense that you will just go ahead in buying this item for your students and charge them for it. You are going to make money for charging them for your service fee, which you are buying on their behalf. And also you are going to be buying, I'm going to be showing you inside this course how to buy RMB at the cheapest rate, and you are going to be giving them a different rate, right? That's another way to make profit. All this has been packaged together, guys. So let's if you're interested, just reach me out on the number displaying on your screen right here. So now to the business of the day. So you come to your settings here, you click this settings icon here. Clicking on it will takes you to let me click on it. So guys, I'm already here inside my settings icon, and if you haven't watched another video on how to bind, maybe you've already created a 1688 account and you wanted to link it with your Alipay, I already recorded the video on that as well. You can do well to watch it under the description button of this video, how you can bind it with your Alipay account, so you'll be able to make payment directly. So guys, this is my settings right here, and what you want to click on is this password here, this guy with the first the fourth or the third option, where you are seeing 1 2 3, where you are seeing something like padlock. So let me screenshot now and go to my Google Translator for you to see what I'm saying. This is my Google Translator, guys. I click on this guy for this guy to translate what we are saying for us. So this guy has already translated, and we have the first one as switch account. If you have a multiple accounts on 1688, you can switch between one account and two accounts. So the second one is your delivery address. Maybe you have different logistics address and you want to change or update to the latest one. What you want to do is to click on that option. And the third one is account and security, and the fourth one is payment settings. All right, so the third one is what we are going to be making use of, which is account and security. All right, so let's head over to our 1688 account now, and we click on this guy here. So clicking on it will take us here. The first option is your 1688 username, which, so that is where to get your account username. So let me screenshot now and head over to my Google Translator for this guy to translate what it means. All right, so let's wait for this guy here. Let's wait for this guy. All right, so the first option is your account name. As I've said before, now if you want to get your username, so you click on this to copy it out, and this is the modify number, which have to do with your account number, like the number linked to that account. So if you want to change this account, you can definitely change it with this method. So you click on it and change the number to another account, right? So that's the way we are going. We are making use of this third option, which have to do with change your login password, right? So if you don't know your login password, this is the best option for you to change it, or maybe by default you did not set up this account. So this is where you are going to be setting up the account, which is the third option. So let's go back to our 1688 and click on this guy here. So by the virtue of you clicking on this guy here, a option is going to pop up where they are going to be sending you a OTP, one-time password, to the number linked to this account. So you can see right here that we have the number linked with this account. Let me translate again for you to understand what I'm saying. So I click here again, and this guy will translate. So you see that we have sent a verification code to this number. So this is the number attached to this account, and once you click on this get SMS verification code, a code will be sent to this number, and once it's been sent, you are going to input it here, then you click on next. Set it and get it done. So I'm going to be clicking on this guy here, which have to do with that pink, right? So let me click on that guy now, and the code will be sent to this number. So let's wait for the arrival of this code. Let's wait for this guy to all right, I got the code here, which have to do with you need to be very snappy when it comes to getting this code. You have just 1 minute before this code will lapse. All right, so here comes my code now, and I input this orange icon here to confirm this code. So automatically it's going to confirm this code and take me to where I'm going to be changing my login password. And by default, this is what I have here with me now. So let's go back to our Google Translator to translate this guy. So this is where you get to set up your new password. You can see that it's telling you to enter the current password and to confirm the new password, right? Just put in a password in here, since we want to set up a new password that we are going to be remembering. So let me just put this here. So I've already input this, and let me try to input the one I wanted to use now. So let's check if it is going to work. All right, so let me click on this guy here and see what we have. So guys, after your account has once you reset that password, you just input the previous one and you now input the one you want to be using now. So once you click on next, this is what you are going to be seeing, that the password has already been reset. So by default, let me just go back now. Let me go back. All right, so by default, once everything has been set, you are just going to copy this username and the password that you just created. Once you have been able to get the tool, you'll be able to use it to log in on your desktop or on your laptop, PC, tab, or on the Chrome version, which is the on the website. You'll be able to use it to log in on the website instead of you using the app, because I get to realize some people even like using the website, the web version, maybe on Chrome, Safari, right? So you'll be able to translate it directly. So all this haven't been said now. Once you have been able to set up, for the sake of those who cannot even set up this password, maybe you did not even remember the previous one you used, that means you have to log out this account. This is the method you are going to use. You log out this account, and once you log out, how I wish I could just help you to get everything done now, but with time will not permit me. Of course, this is a tutorial, right? But this is the first method you can use. Well, however, if you don't remember the previous one you use, you can just log out this account, then go to your where you are going to be seeing SMS login. All right, so you click on reset password. Once you click on that reset password, it's going to take you to a place where a code will be sent to this number that was linked to this account. You input the code, and it's going to bring out the two options to input a fresh account that you want to use. All right, so this is how you can reset your password, your 1688 password, and also your username account, right? So this is how to get it done, guys. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. I'll definitely see you in my coming videos, right? So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to like that video as well. So if you want me to help you with your procurement, you want to shout me up for consultation, and you have different issues when it comes to your mini importation, then you can do what to reach me live on this number you are seeing on your screen. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.